Hey everyone, I'm Sarah Rodriguez. I'm an actress here on Maui.
Hey guys, this is Saxon Sawai. I'm from OAHU.
I just recently took Robert Angelo's Actnow lab, and I really wanted to share my experience.
I remember when I first took Robert Angelo's class, I really didn't know what to expect, but all I knew was that I needed to grow as an actor. There were certain fundamentals that I knew I lacked, but I didn't know how to recognize it.
I've been looking for something like his class, and I haven't found it until now. What was really great about Robert is that he challenged me. He picked out a dramatic monologue that I was actually a little nervous about.
Robert got to know us on a more personal level, and so he was able to kind of see what we needed as an actor, some of the fundamental things that we were missing, and he addressed it to each and every one of us individually. I
really love that he pushed me to do something completely out of my box. I'm so pleased now with the reel that I have because now it shows versatility.
I'm very grateful for Robert for taking the time and putting in, his heart and soul into teaching us.
When I was doing my monologue, he recognized when to step in and when to allow me just to do my work.
I was in the room with a lot of talented actors at the time, but I literally saw each and every one of them grow and take their acting to another level.
He could tell when I was really trying to find my character and find the emotion, which I just really appreciate.
Different monologues that he gave us, you could tell that each one of the monologues that he had us do was tailored for each and every one of us so that we could actually grow as an actor. Since then, we've all gone on to do a lot more film work.
Since I've taken Robert's class, I'm right now actually in the process of getting casted for a show that I cannot talk about.
I'm really grateful for everything that I learned. It was a wonderful experience, and it's helped me to develop as an actor.
Does Robert Angelo's Actnow class work? Yes, but it is only if you bring it.